Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you want smooth 4K aerial videos, GPS tracking, obstacle avoidance, or beginner-friendly flying features, this list has some amazing drone options for every budget. We'll go through the features, flight performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which drone is worth buying in 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. L600 Pro Max GPS Drone. The L600 Pro Max is one of the most impressive drones available on AliExpress in 2026. This drone comes with dual 4K HD cameras, a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized video, GPS positioning, 5-kilometer flight range, brushless motors, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The brushless motors provide smoother and quieter flying, while the GPS system helps with stable hovering and automatic return-to-home functionality. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS with long flight range, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, smooth brushless motor performance, great aerial video quality. If you want the best overall drone for cinematic footage and advanced flying features, the L600 Pro Max is an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate users. Number 2. Lenovo V198 Max Drone. This foldable drone features 8K video support, FPV real-time transmission, laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and optical flow positioning for smoother flights. The compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry while traveling, and the obstacle avoidance system helps improve flight safety for beginners. Pros: foldable, lightweight design, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance support, smooth FPV flying experience, beginner-friendly controls. The Lenovo V198 Max is a great option for users looking for a portable drone with modern smart flying features at an affordable price. Number 3. Lenovo A1R 3S GPS Drone. This model offers GPS-assisted flight, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, optical flow stabilization, and foldable portability. It also supports 4K video recording and real-time FPV streaming, making it suitable for casual aerial photography and travel videos. Pros: GPS-assisted stable flying, foldable compact design, brushless motor efficiency, easy controls for beginners, good value for money. The Lenovo A1R 3S is ideal for beginners who want a reliable GPS drone without spending too much money. Number 4. S10X Max GPS Drone. This drone features a professional-style 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, brushless motors, GPS support, and a large-screen remote controller. The built-in display on the controller makes flying more convenient because you don't always need to rely on your smartphone during flights. Pros: large-screen remote controller, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS-assisted flight modes, smooth brushless motor performance, foldable portable design. If you prefer drones with dedicated screen controllers and stable aerial footage, the S10X Max offers a premium flying experience. Number 5. SG-109 Pro Max Mini Drone. This compact drone includes a 4K HD camera, GPS support, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and a 4.5-inch large-screen remote controller. Its small, lightweight design makes it easy for beginners to learn flying while still enjoying aerial photography features. Pros: compact, beginner-friendly design, GPS and FPV support, large-screen remote controller, affordable pricing, easy to transport. The SG-109 Pro Max is a solid entry-level drone for beginners who want an affordable drone with smart features and easy controls. So that was our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. If you want the best overall performance and stabilization, the L600 Pro Max is the clear winner. For portability and beginner-friendly flying, the Lenovo V198 Max is a great option. And if you're looking for an affordable starter drone, the SG-109 Pro Max is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides.